Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be checking out the Park Zone Vapor. About a week ago I visited Painless 360 and I mentioned that I fly at this venue, and he said, I think I might have something for you there, and he very kindly gave me this model. So it is what is known as a slow flyer and it's very lightweight. I'm not quite sure what the weight is, so I will add that over the top. And I'm not sure if you can get them either, but I'm sure you can get something like this. So if you can, then I'll put a link in the video description if you are interested. So it really does have a material that is as thin as cling film, and it just has an elevator, a rudder, and of course power. So it powers off 1S, and I think it's 70 milliamps.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay, to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.